thought I'd give you a bit of a tour around our AES vans and how we kit them out so that we're ready to work on any system when we arrive. So come and have a look. So courtesy of Van Systems, we have an internal racking system, all the nice trays so that all our parts are in there, etc. Magnetic dish so that when they're putting their screws in they don't go missing. Very cool. So yeah, very nice and tidy. We also have work lights on the top, and you can see on the back here, that's so that if we're on site and it's a little bit late, we can shine down on what we're working on. And oh, there we go. And then there's a little bit of how we're kitted out. Got our tripods on the back, so we're able to set up over a manhole if we're lifting pumps out. All our tools are in there. If we're having to work on any difficult pumps, we've got our vices on the back, so that makes it very easy. Yeah, and we're also geared up with our highway signage, flashing lights in the back just in case we're having to work on site anywhere. So yeah, that's a little insight to our AES work vans. So here we have one of our AES vans. Going to give you a bit of a little tour inside and see what's in here. Ah, what a stud muffin.